Hey everyone, welcome to Online Profit Zone. Today we've got an exciting topic for all the beginners out there, how to make money online. So grab a pen and paper because we're diving right in. Tip 1. Freelancing. First up, freelancing. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients looking for various skills. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, or programming, there's a gig waiting for you. Tip 2. Online surveys and reviews. Next, consider taking online surveys or writing reviews. Companies pay for your opinions, and it's a simple way to earn a few extra bucks in your free time. Check out platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Tip 3. Start a blog or YouTube channel. Now, if you enjoy writing or making videos, starting a blog or YouTube channel could be your thing. Share your passion, build an audience, and monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Tip 4. Remote work opportunities. Explore remote work opportunities. Many companies offer remote positions, allowing you to work from the comfort of your home. Websites like Remote OK and Indeed can help you find these opportunities. Tip 5. Sell your creations online. Are you a creative soul? Sell your crafts, artwork, or digital products on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. Turn your hobbies into a profitable venture. And there you have it. 5 easy ways for beginners to make money online. Remember, it's about finding what suits you best and putting in consistent effort. If you found these tips helpful, like the video and don't forget to follow us for more awesome content. Until next time, happy earning!